You don't finish?
You're not sleeping.
No, why I go sleep? Continue now, I dey enjoy and make I dey watch you. Continue. You were making love to the same man. Again, Abby? I mean, you can't continue meeting the same man every night.
Betty, you sound like I'm doing this thing deliberately. I don't even know when I do these things.
Yet you've not done anything to fight it.
How am I supposed to fight something I have no control over? How? Don't talk like this. I don't even know when I do these things. I don't even know. Not my fault now. I'd make her not sleep again.
That's an option. Look, babe, I just dey worried for you. How person will find like you? Just dey knack for dream, the more they vibrate. You get as it be, oh. It don't make sense.
I know.
So as you just the one here, like say na horse climb you. The jack. One scatter the juve, one suffer the bed, one suffer make.
It is sweet though.
You fool. No get sense. Stop that rubbish. It is sweet, eh? Why you no go sweet you? See, this is not good though. You too fine to behave like this. It don't make sense. You too fine, too packaged to the knack for dream.
Nice.
I want to ask. Wait first. I want to ask you something. Wait. Come back. I want to ask you something. Make I ask you first.
What is it? I'm tired.
So if na for real life be this, that your bobo for real life. Now so you dey mourn for him. Your bobo dey enjoy sha.
This one dey sweet pass.
Hey, you don't get sense. Dream the sweet pass for real life, pass real life.
Betty, leave me alone. I want to sleep. I'm tired.
Sure. I hold you. Open up. Why you dey cover? Open duvet. Open am for am. Make you see road enter. Open up for am. I don't hold you, my sister. Enjoy yourself. As you don't knock round one, if you make am 2, 3, 4, in fact 6, come 55 times. Enjoy. But when you go up, no talk say I no want you. Person go find finish burner for dreaming the knack. They jack up and down for this bed. You know if you just resist, you know if you just tell the man with the knack, say you no want. You know sabi say talk no. No dare your mouth again. Person carry big body, carry everything, fine, finish, na inside dream the knack. Baby, ready? Yeah. How I love me Fridays.
Why won't you? Lazy thing.
See who is talking. Auntie hard worker. All the hard work you've been doing in this Lagos. How many houses you don't build? Worry.
I go soon shock you, no worry. Now small.
You know if you shock me, the only shock way if you shock me, if you say you walk out one day, come back this house. Tell me, say, Betty, I don't finally see my spiritual husband. If not, you know fit.
It's possible. Who knows?
But wait, oh babe. On a more serious note, what if you bump into this guy one day? How are you going to react?
I haven't thought of that though. But who knows? Shit happens.
I know, right? Would you even recognize him?
I would recognize him even if he doesn't turn his face. Do you know what that guy does to me?
I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it!
Jealousy.
My friend, you don't go. See as you carry man for your head, pass your mama. Pass woman we born you.
Look, Betty. My mom passed when I was 10. So, I don't think I would recognize her even if I see her right now. But you see that guy? I would recognize him even if it's just his back I see. This guy does wonders to me every goddamn night. Steady, Do you know what you do? Do you know the kind of styles he gives to me?
He's okay.
He's too sweet.
I dey witness am, no need to tell.
Oh God.
Hey! God have mercy. Anyways, I learned some of these things. We are the ones that built them in our heads.
What do you mean?
Okay, sometimes we fantasize about our dream man and then let them live in our subconscious mind. I think that's what's wrong with you.
I have never fantasized about any man in my entire life. And you of all people should know that. I'm not a fantasized man. Me, we don't like man or, on a normal. I don't understand.
Auntie Ben showed up and swept you off your feet.
Talking about Ben, I will be spending the weekend over. Alright? So you go get yourself in because you're sleeping alone this night.
Now I knew. I see my friend carry 2 bags, they go walk. I said this is not the ordinary.
Go get man, Betty.
Hey!
You're sleeping alone this night.
You too like man.
They play.
God, please give me my own man. I also want to be going for weekends.
Get out. See you around. And be a good girl.
Wait for me, Joe.
Which one? See you around.
You want to sack me from what?
Hey. You're not ready yet.
Okay, I'm almost ready, okay? Hold on, let me just grab my bag, okay?
It's just story. We are late already. Good morning.
You look quite different.
You mean I look good?
Steve isn't ready yet.
Yes, he went to get his bag upstairs.
Okay.
Meanwhile, I followed you on Instagram. I've been waiting for your follow back.
That's because I am barely on social media. However, I'll do that once I get to the office.
Okay.
Yeah.
You know what? Let's just do it now because you'll be very busy once you get to work.
All right.
Do you need me to type my username?
Here you go.
Yes, I'm sorry. I just followed myself back on Instagram.
Okay.
Now you'll always be on the app because I promise to supply you with entertaining content.
Have a nice day at work.
You too. By the way, you look good.
Hey, my brother has left, right?
Yes, he just did. You know, that guy gets more handsome every day.
And of course, it runs in the family. I mean, take a look at myself, you know?
What's in it, this one?
Oh, this guy doesn't me finish.
I'm sorry, babe.
You're sorry. You're sorry. Mira, this is about the most embarrassing thing I've ever seen. Huh? Is this what I stand to experience for the rest of my life if I get married to you?
What do you mean if you get married to me?
Yes, if I get married to you. We're not married yet, are we? Plus, listen, this you consistently having this rubbish sex whatever with a man in your dream is beginning to become discouraging.
Babe, I said I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I don't want your apology. Stop it!
I will stop, I promise. I'm sorry. Good morning, babe.
Good morning, babes. How's your night?
Fine, you're all dressed. Are you going out?
Oh, yes, I'm going somewhere.
How? I thought we were supposed to spend the weekend together.
Yes, babes, I get it, okay. That was the original plan. But there's a new plan now. My boss called earlier. He said there's this important business appointment in Port Harcourt and he can't make it again, so I should cover up for him.
Port Harcourt?
Yes.
How? What am I supposed to be doing here?
Come on, babe, this is just one weekend. We've got tons of weekend to spend together. Moreover, I'll be back tomorrow and I'll call you.
That's not nice. I had to cancel a lot of appointments just so I can spend the entire weekend with you.
I am sorry, okay? I promise I'll make it up.
It's okay. I'm sorry about last night.
Oh, Dad, come on. There's no point, okay? No need for any apologies, I'm fine. Okay, huh?
You sure?
100%.
Okay, so I'll just freshen up and really get out because I obviously can't stay here long.
It's alright, no problem. You just I'll go with the key, but when you're going out you can just lock up everywhere, right? I'll be good.
Let's hope. Safe flights.
Thank you.
So please pass me this one.
No, okay.
Yes.
The woman, as I taught you about not making sound whenever you're stirring your tea.
Right. Sorry.
Your friend. She has very strong social media.
Were you stalking Ivy?
Why would I?
I do know you to be a social media person, so how come you're talking about her account?
Well, that's because she made me follow her Instagram yesterday. So, it's only natural for her posts to pop up on my timeline.
Well, Ivy is a very social person, okay? And that proceeds to her social life.
And it doesn't affect her concentration at all?
No, trust me. She's about the most focused person I know. I mean, aside you.
Okay.
So tell me, do you like her?
What? No.
The emphasis on the no.
It is what it is.
Look, Ivy is a very beautiful lady, okay? I mean, everyone in my company, including my MD, is drawing on her.
Well, everybody isn't cross your brother.
Word. Well, if you do change your mind, let me know, okay? She's my friend and I can help you win her. Why are you smiling?
No comment.
Oh, this is nice though.
Weekend never starts until don't come back. Wetin happen?
He got a call, so he needed to rush down to Port Harcourt for a meeting to represent his boss.
Port Harcourt. That's strange. I mean, the Ben I know would never leave spending time with you for anything. I remember the last time he was here and his boss called him that he needed him to do something for him. Oga said, working weekend isn't part of my job description. Guess what? I almost fell in love with him that very day.
Really, Chris?
See this one.
I feel bad though. I had wanted to take him out today on a date.
Well, okay. Well, but it's okay, fine, guys, fine. I mean, whatever he's doing today is for the best. Brother needs money to take care of this full package now. You don't know you're beautiful. He needs money. What is it? Are you okay?
Betty.
What is it?
It happened again. And for the first time, he was sad.
What?
The romantic dream, of course. I woke up. Yes. I woke up and saw him seated right in front of me. I saw his eyes. His eyes was filled with rage. They were wild. Damn.
Hey.
I'm scared.
Come here. It's okay. It's fine. Babe, I think it's high time you went to see someone because of this. Before it becomes a problem.
Betty. Someone like who?
I don't know. Maybe someone who can help.
Yeah, beg. I'm so scared. I don't know what will happen next.
You'll be fine. Don't worry.
I just pray I don't lose him as usual. You know.
I hope so. You'll be fine.
Hello, sir. Yeah, good day, sir. Sure. Yes, they are with me, sir. They are with me. I'll do that right away, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you. Shit! I've left it in Ben's house. Hello, TD. Yeah, what's up? Where are you? I left my file in Ben's house. I need to pick it up real quick. Ben is in the house. You mean he's back? Oh, okay, thank you very much. I'll be on my way there now. Ben is in the house. Hi, babe. Where you at? You didn't tell me you've gotten to Port Harcourt already. You mean you're in Port Harcourt currently? Okay, don't stress it. Go back to the meeting, yeah? Call me when you're done. Alright, take care. He lied to me. Why did you lie to me?
Mina, I am sorry, okay?
I didn't ask for an apology. I asked again, why did you lie to me about going to Port Harcourt?
Well, I lied because I couldn't continue with this.
What do you mean you couldn't continue with this? What are you talking about?
This thing, me and you, okay? I can't continue with it. I'm a man and there's absolutely no man that would want to share his woman with another man.
Are you insinuating I'm cheating on you?
Is it an insinuation? You cheat on me every damn night, Mira. Every night. Even on night when I'm lying here beside you, you cheat.
Let me get this straight. Don't tell me you're referring to the nightmares. Are you?
You still refer to those things as nightmares? Those are nightmares, they're damn real. I am the one who is here beside you always. I am the one who sees the things you do, Mira. You mourn like a woman who's been ridden by a horse. You change styles. And the last time you freaking came.
But you've known about this all this while. Why change now? Why?
Because I thought I could handle it. I thought it was something that would last maybe a month, 2 months, but no. How long have we been dating now? It's getting damn worse.
And you want to leave instead of staying with me to fight this together. You want to leave me like that? Why?
I have my battles to fight, okay? This one is yours. Fight it alone. I refuse to jump on a battle I don't know its genesis.
Ben, are you indirectly trying to end this relationship?
Mira, you are a very intelligent woman. You should understand.
What is this? Why are you crying? What happened?
He couldn't tell me to my face that he was no longer interested in being with me.
I don't understand. What are you saying?
Ben didn't travel. He's is in his house because he wanted me out of his house and out of his life.
No, that's not true. Ben loves you too much to leave.
He loves me. He loves me because of the dream.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
This is the second person leaving me. This is the second man leaving me because of this dream. Something I have no control over. What am I supposed to do about it? Is it my fault?
I'm sorry, but I have to be very blunt with you. Many might still leave if you do not look for a way to tackle this. No man will be comfortable with a lady that does the things you do in your dreams. Babes, I spend almost every night with you in this house, and I can beat my chest and tell you, no man will cope with it. We just look for a way to handle this. Just work on it.
Betty, what am I supposed to do?
I'm sorry.
What am I supposed to do?
I'm sorry, it's okay.
Ben!
I'm sorry, babe. It's okay.
Hello, Mr. Krabs.
Hey, Ivy, how are you?
I'm pretty.
I can see. Steve stepped out to get something actually.
Okay,
Yeah.
that means you'll be keeping me company till he comes back.
I wish I could, but I have to finish some paperwork.
It's weekend. You don't rest, do you?
The economy doesn't give us much choices.
But you're doing well to afford rest on weekends.
Actually, I've seen richer men become poorer because they became complacent.
And I've seen the poor becoming richer because of proper investments.
So, do you want to invest?
You really don't need much to invest.
You don't give up, do you?
I don't. I am not a loser.
Then you win.
I always do.
One could be deceived easily by your post on social media.
I see. I have a fan here.
You think so? Which means everyone following you with how often you post online. Everyone following you would be a fan.
You can unfollow if you don't like.
Anyway, your friend is here.
Hey, you didn't call to tell me you were coming.
You know what, guys? I'll just excuse you. I'm in my room. Thank you. Yeah.
Just said someone just said it's for something.
Easy or something.
Oh. Where did you go to?
Should have called, Ivy.
Come on, this place is so small.
That's why we have phones.
Okay, fine, sorry. Where did you go?
I went to get some few things for the house. Yeah, so what is he wanted to talk about?
Babe, you can't keep doing this to yourself. You've not eaten anything since yesterday.
I'm not hungry.
Mira, you don't eat because you're hungry. You eat because your system needs it. Look, this thing has happened already. And starving yourself won't change a thing. If you have a chance at making things up with him, then you need to eat and be alive to do it. Please.
I can't be with a man who can't stand to fight with me. I can't.
Perfect. You should move on already. Move on.
But I still love him. Yes, I do. I love him.
Shebi, you know say you no get sense. No, you know say you be mumu. This minute, I don't want to be with him. I don't want to be with him. He cannot fight with me. Next minute, I still love him. Mira, what do you want?
Betty, what kind of friend are you? 1 minute you're consoling me, the other minute you're insulting me. Sukwanike, Betty. Haba. Please don't add to my pains, I beg.
I am no vex now. I'm sorry. I just don't like the way you're going about all of this. Babe, you guys chop. You guys they chop. Oh. Now who chop the day alive they find man? If you know chop, or if you know they chop all this way, they knack, they come anyhow. You get strength knack. You guys chop first of all. Then let's look for a way to handle all of this, please. I'm sorry now. My friendship. Make I go warm the food for you. Please now. I'm sorry now.
Okay, come on. It's
fine. Yeah. Thank you. You can warm me for you, okay? I know they cry for that guy. You know what you don't do. Yeah?
Okay.
I've been talking to you. I really like your brother. I've always liked him from the very first day I saw him.
Yeah, why am I not surprised? Can I have my book, please? Look, Ivy. You see, the thing is, I've never seen my brother with any woman before. What?
Jesus, for what? Like, for real?
Yes, for real.
Then you must have seen him with a man.
Now what's that supposed to mean?
Your brother is... Sorry. There are plenty fine men in this town that are gay.
Hold it right there. Okay? Look, my brother is just a guy who believes that... I mean, if a relationship is not leading to marriage, then there's no point of it. Yes. So please give me my ball.
Then I'm the... Sorry. And I'm the perfect man for him, please.
You, for my brother.
What do you mean me for your brother? Listen to me. What are friends for? Listen, I really like your brother.
Why are you touching me like that?
I don't like you, I like your brother, not you.
Sure, I
really like your brother. Just help me and do to him. Like, he seems very uptight. Steve, now.
I've heard you, okay? But that will cost you.
For real?
For real? Is there a problem?
Okay. What?
Well, I'll let you know when the time is right. Just. Actually, come inside.
Leave me alone. I'm annoying, right? Yeah, beat me. Beat me!
Because you know I'm not with you.
I'm hungry. What do you have?
And now you want to eat. I don't want to bring up again.
You know. It's actually the reason why I came. Looking, you know, I dress so sweet for him.
Hi, Steve.
Hey, you are still working?
Yeah. What's up? Your friend, she left already?
Oh yeah, Ivy, she left. But I have been meaning to ask you something.
Okay. What is it?
Why is it that I haven't seen you with any woman?
Because I haven't found one.
Are you being serious? Of all the girls in this world, you haven't found a woman you're interested in and willing to date?
Most definitely.
But why would you say that? But there are beautiful women out there. Beautiful women like Ivy, my friend.
Your friend?
Yes. Look, Ivy is a very intelligent, beautiful woman. Okay? I'm sure you've noticed that as well.
I haven't actually. I only saw her as your friend.
No, maybe you should look past that.
Are you alright?
I'm okay. Why?
Because this is the first time you're talking to me like this about a woman. And I can bet that you're trying to hook me up with your friend.
Well, only if you like her.
Please, I have to finish this paper because it's really important.
Always find a way to dodge the conversation. Cool. Changing topics every time. I will leave you to it, man. But, Ivy.
Associations of interface. I will stone you. Lovely. Your friend, really? Steve.
You made our way, doo-doo, doo-doo, doo-doo. You made our way, doo-doo, doo-doo, doo-doo. You made our way, doo-doo, doo-doo, doo-doo. Made our way. Good morning, Betty. How are you? Hope you slept well.
Of course I did. I see someone has finally found herself this morning.
You can say that again.
Nice.
Yeah. You made it our way. Doo-doo, doo-doo, doo-doo. Dress this way. Betty cannot even put hand and dress this bed with me. This girl is becoming lazy.
I feel you inside me, but I cannot explain to anyone why me, 'cause I've lost myself, don't have anyone to explain to. Now I can differentiate from reality and dreams. It is so real. Now I am stuck in my head and no way to wake up from my dreams. Everyone think I'm going crazy, but I know what I'm feeling inside. The way you touch me, the way you hold me, I've never felt it before. Now I can differentiate from reality and dreams, 'cause it is so real. my dreams.
Mira!
Can you show your
Mira!
face? Can I see your
Mira!
face? Can you call my name? I wanna hear
Mira!
from you. Can you show your face?
Mira, where are you going?
Can I see your face?
Mira!
Can you call my name?
Jesus.
I wanna
Wait.
hear
Where are you going dressed like this?
you.
You okay?
I don't know. What happened?
Straight! You're not straight! Let's go now. Come on, let's go.
Even I would change.
Do you want to continue walking? Let's go. We have to go home to the house. Let's go. Mira, stop doing those things. How can you just wake up in the morning and then you left you?
I don't know what's happening to me. I don't know what's happening to me. Betsy, I don't know. I feel like I'm losing it. I don't know what's happening to me. I don't know what's happening to me.
It's okay. It's okay. It's fine. Let's go home. We need to get to the house. Let's go.
Betsy, watching me.
Let's go. Let's go. Nobody's watching you. Let's go. I love the fact that you're moving on already.
There's absolutely nothing to linger on about. You know, he made it very clear that he doesn't want the relationship again, so why not?
It's
So
alright.
move on.
You'll find true love again, okay?
Love. Listen here. Truth is, I don't want to find love no more. For now, I just want to work, focus on my work, live my life, and have fun. That's it. See, I beg, I don't tire.
You don't have to say that, babe. Okay, fine. I know you're hurting. But then certainly you'll move past this and then find true love again.
Betsy, can we go to work and stop this silly conversation? Love, don't you get tired of love? Please, I beg, I don't tire. You don't get tired for love. I love.
I never find love, I won't tire. Wait for me now. Mr. Cross.
Hi.
Hi. You're leaving already?
Yeah. It's 5 p.m. already.
I thought we agreed to sit and talk.
Oh yeah, actually I forgot. Okay, anyway, I don't know if it's a good time to talk. I'm here. So what is it?
Okay, so I was hoping to know how your weekend is going to be like.
The week just began, so I wouldn't know.
Okay, so I thought we could sit out and talk sometime.
Sit out?
Yeah. So the thing is, I'm usually very bored, and I was hoping you would be great company sometimes.
Nina, I wouldn't know what my weekend looks like yet.
Okay, how about I call you on Thursday evening just to check?
Okay. Let's see how that goes then.
All right. Then.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay. Drive.
Yeah, sure. See you tomorrow. Okay. Yeah, bye.
Pick your call. Mira, where are you? Why are you not picking your calls? What is going on? She's not picking. What is going on? Why? Try again. She doesn't stay without her phone. Why is she not picking? Oh, goodness gracious. Mara, please. Pick your damn phone. What is this? Why is she not picking her calls?
Steve, come in.
What's up, Steve? How far? What's for breakfast? Man, I need to run.
It's not Steve. Good morning.
Oh, Jesus.
Good morning.
How did you get in here?
Through the door. Well, we have early morning class and I came here to prepare breakfasts. So I thought I should just adjust to it because I know you'll be very hungry since you have no one to do that for you.
Okay, where is Steve?
Okay, he's downstairs. He's eating. I made noodles.
You made noodles?
Yes, your brother said it's your favorite breakfast. And you need to eat it before it gets cold. You know, noodles are inedible when it gets cold. Mr. Grass. Mr. Grass. You know, actually, I found it weird when he said noodles is your favorite breakfast because I thought it's women's thing and I don't know why you like it.
And since when did noodles become gender-based?
I'm sorry. Should I? Sorry. Sorry. You're enjoying your meal.
It's nice.
Are you sure?
You try that.
I just want to patronize me.
There are levels to disrespect that I can condone, Ivy.
You have no right whatsoever to come into my room uninvited. I am still talking. Listen, I'll excuse you using my kitchen because you're my brother's friend, not exactly for what you did. I allow Steve's friends freedom in this house, but there is a limit to it, and it's called boundaries. And as for you, I'll deal with you later.
I was just trying to. I didn't even touch the food.
Brother? What's this? Come on, will you get out of here? That's how you people go out. That is madman.
Iran, John Benson. I'm hungry, oh. Hungry. Vital foam. Vital foam. Hello? My food! Thief!
Look, I told you this was a bad idea. I said it. I told you.
Are you sure your brother isn't gay?
What kind of stupid question is that?
Because I don't understand. Eh? Why would you talk to me like that for trying to show genuine interest?
Well, some men are not controlled by, big buttocks.
Such men are into men.
What is this about? Huh, Ivy? But you cannot get over the fact that a man rejected you right in front of your face?
This has nothing to do with this. Like, it has nothing to do.
Then what is it about?
Moreover, I'm a very beautiful woman and I know my words.
Look, I know you're beautiful, okay? I'm not disputing that fact. Okay, but it's high time you forget about my brother. Okay? Move on. It is clear that he doesn't want you. Stop pushing it. Let's just stick to being friends, okay? Friends. Stop pushing it. He might stop you from coming to this house. You looking at me like that? You hear what I said? Funny your face because of him. It's your business, I've told you. If you like, yeah, if you don't like.
What do you mean you haven't seen her? Yes, she left for work yesterday and she hasn't returned. Exactly. Her phone has been ringing but she's not answering. That is what I'm trying to say. She has never behaved this way before. I'm just coming from her office. Look, she has never behaved like this before. Oh goodness gracious. Are you sure she didn't come here?
What sort of question is that? Do I look like I'm lying? Of course I haven't seen her. You already know we broke up a couple of days ago. And since then, we've neither seen nor spoken.
Then where could she be?
She'll be the one asking you because you are the one who live with her. Or wait, could it be that she has finally found her spiritual husband and has gone to be with him?
Rubbish.
Welcome back, bro.
Hey, Steve.
Yes. About this morning. I know what I did was very disrespectful, and I am I'm so sorry. I shouldn't have let Ivy into your room for whatever reason. Okay, look, I already spoke to her, okay? And I promise you this will never happen again.
I know it's strange to you that I am not in any relationship or married. But you see, for some of us, our bodies are sacred. And we intend keeping it for a wife. You know, Steve, there are certain things that will be very difficult for your generation to understand.
Oh, trust me, brother. I totally understand.
Good.
Can she still come to visit me?
Steve, the last I checked, she's your friend, right?
Yes.
And I can't remember stopping her from visiting. Plus, that will give you more reasons to want to leave the house.
Thank you.
She takes sets like this now. She go sweet guy. I say I watch it in my room. On what she carry on with him. You know, say this kind of people, yeah. I shall we don't cost now. I can receive you now. Maybe that's the way the Angela they do for street. We will still package this thing tomorrow. I go see the give her. As he said like this. Now doggy. We do donkey, I think. I need the first one. Necklace.
Come in. Hi.
Thank you.
Sorry, how can I help you?
My name is Nina, and I'm Cross's colleague.
Oh, okay.
Please, is he in?
Yes, let me fetch him for you. Have a seat.
Thank you.
Hey, Nina.
Hi,
How are you?
Chris. How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm very well.
I was just in the neighborhood, and I said to stop and say hi.
Oh, I see. So, are we able to locate my place?
You're not a difficult man to find, Chris. 1, 2 questions. Boom, I'm here.
Okay. So, what do I offer you?
Oh no, I'm fine. Thank you.
You sure?
Yes, thank you. So I just wanted to remind you about the weekend.
Oh, that, yeah. Okay, I'll see to it.
Okay, so I'll see you in the office tomorrow.
Most definitely.
Okay, I'll be on my way.
Okay. Let me just walk you off.
Thank you.
Yes.
Okay. Steve, I'll be right back.
Stop it. I don't want to. Stop it now. I don't want to. Tell you stop him. You stop him. I don't want to stop him. Stop him, oh. I don't want to stop him. Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop!
This is the first time your colleague is visiting this house.
Oh, she said she was in the neighborhood and decided to stop by.
But it didn't seem like that to me. I mean, is she the woman in your life?
I told you before that there is no woman in my life.
But I said she looks, she looks interesting and cute. You should check her out.
Well, nice compliment, but I'll pass.
You pass. Yes, man.
Mira, where are you? Everything is still in your car, except you. What could have happened to you? What happened to you, Mira? Dear Lord, wherever she is, please bring her back home safely.
What exactly are you sorry for? Are you sorry because you stood me up? Is that what you're sorry? Because I was sitting in that restaurant like a call girl, a cheap call girl, Cross.
Nina, to be very honest with you, I totally forgot that we had a date. Yes, I totally forgot. And I went for evening service. I am sorry I missed tones of your call notifications and text messages. I sincerely apologize. I feel terribly sorry.
It's call time.
Hey.
Good day, sir.
Yeah, good day. Steve isn't home yet.
Yes, I called. He said he was on his way, so I just wanted to wait for him.
Okay. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay. You want me to offer you something? Oh, please, have a seat.
Thank you.
Like I said before, do I offer you anything? I mean, you know your way around here, so...
I'm fine, sir. Mr. Cross, I want to apologize for the last time. Yes, I would have done this long ago, but I traveled and I just got back. I meant no disrespect. I just wanted to get close to you because I like you.
It's fine. It's all in the past.
And I don't want it to affect my relationship with Steve.
Speaking of Steve, you like him, don't you?
Yes, of course. He's my friend.
I see. You can make yourself come. See, we'll do with the remote, you know. But just keep the volume down. Okay.
See, but I really miss you. I mean, you shouldn't be disappearing just like that now.
You and me. But I don't.
You did?
Okay, I miss you small.
What do you mean? What do you mean small?
I miss you small, which was why I just ran back here immediately I go back.
Ivy.
Okay. I miss you big.
Say it again.
I miss you big.
Spread your hands wide now. Nah, be serious.
I miss you. I miss you. I'm not joking.
You're not joking?
Yes, I miss you.
So tell me, how was South Africa?
South Africa is fine, just there. Nothing special. What?
South Africa is just there.
Mm-hmm.
But do you realize I've never traveled out of this country?
Really?
I mean, not even Cotonou. What do you mean just there? South Africa.
Okay, don't worry. I got you. I'll just speak to my dad. Maybe one of these days you can come with me.
Or maybe I can just ask my brother to make an arrangement. I think the reason I've not traveled is because I've never asked him.
He'll do that for you?
he would do anything for me. Okay, I'm his only family.
And I'm your only friend.
Yeah, sadly.
What's that face? Sadly, what's that? What's that supposed to mean?
Nothing.
Steve.
Nothing. How are you doing like that?
Hey, Nina.
Hello, Chris.
How are you?
Oh, thank you. How's your leave?
Man, it's just so sad that it's coming to an end.
I would be tired of being home. Being idle is like a lot already.
Come on, for someone that worked year to year without any rest. Trust me, I think I need every rest I can possibly get.
I can totally relate.
Yeah. So, what's up now? How is office and how is everything going on there?
Pretty well. So I was hoping you could make up time for us to go on a date, given the fact you stood me up a month ago.
Okay. When?
It's weekend already, so tomorrow would be fine. I don't want to push it to Sunday, so you don't give me excuses and
Come on.
go to church and
That was a one-time mistake. I'm sorry, I apologized.
I was just kidding. So, is tomorrow fine by you?
Okay, fine. Just send me the address.
Alright, tomorrow it is. Take care and good night.
Bye.
Bye.
Nina.
Mira! Mira! My goodness. Mira. Mira, it's me, Betty. Betty, your best friend. Thief. No. Mira, I'm not a thief, Betty. Thief! We stay in the same apartment. It's Betty. Mira, come. I've missed you so much. Come, let's go home, Mira. Thief. Mira, let's go home. Mira, please. Mira. I want to hug. Mira, please, let's go home. Thief. Mira. I'm not a thief, I'm Betty. Your best friend. No. 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 I'm not going to go. I want to go with you. No. I won't leave. Mira, yes. I know you miss me too. Come, let's go home, Mira. Please. I want to leave. Mira, please. Thief, come. Mira, let's go, Mira. Mira. You remember the ice cream I promised? Mira, please go. Mira, please go. Mira, please go. Blood of Jesus. Blood of Jesus. Blood of Jesus. Blood of Jesus. Blood of Jesus.
Uncle. This house is big. This house is a big man. Big man. Do you like it? It's my house. Yeah. It's not your house, it's my house. Yeah. Wow. Oh, shit. Are you crying? Are you crying? Stop crying. 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 I will not cry. Not crying. Not crying. Stop crying. Stop crying. Stop crying. Don't cry again. Don't cry again. Don't cry again.
Okay. And where is he going looking all sharp? Look at your suit.
I am going on a date.
I'm sorry, you're good. Oh, yes. Must be a business date.
I am going on a date with a lady.
Oh my god! But this is not happening! You're going on a date with a lady!
And why are you shouting like that as though it's something strange?
It is something strange! Bro, you've never gone on a date with a lady before. It is something strange. Look, I was going to ask who the lady was, but at this point, I do not care. Okay?
Really?
I don't care. Look at you. You know what? Call me for a change, man.
Okay.
Oh. And good luck.
Thank you.
What happened?
I saw her.
Okay, so why did the date end so quick?
Excuse me.
We are meant to be. We are meant to be together forever, 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 forever. Yeah. From the day that I set my eyes on you, I realized that I've been missing out. The way you looked at me, the way I looked at you, I knew that something was on. I will never, never let you go. No matter the weather, I will be here for you. Cause I will never, never let you go. No matter the weather, I go there by your side. We are meant to be. We are meant to be.
Insanity. How? But the last time I saw her, You're looking all glam, sexy, beautiful. Can you just stop? Please. Okay, what do I do? Should I go back there? Come on, Amber, she's insane. What if she hits me or she slaps me or something? That environment is quite scary. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? What do I do?
Yes.
Hi.
Hey.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. You again?
Me again.
Great.
Please, is your brother in?
No, he's not back yet.
Oh.
Yeah.
Do you mind if I wait for him?
I was about to go get something outside.
I can wait. I will sit just in one place. Right?
Okay, if you insist.
Thank you.
Yeah. I'll be right back.
Hey. Hey. Yes, your house. Yes, your room. Yes. Sorry. So it's time to freshen up.
No!
Why?
No.
What?
I don't like water.
Hey, come on. Why won't you like water? Water is life. Hey, come.
I'm scared.
What are you scared of? Okay, I am here with you now. You have nothing to be scared of, okay? Yes. Yes.
Hey. What, are you okay? What?
Your brother.
He's back?
He came back with a mad woman.
Wait. A mad what?
A mad woman upstairs.
Mad in this house?
Yes.
Hey, brother, keep it down. Okay? Calm down now. Huh? What's going on?
Anyway, there is nothing I will say to you that you will understand.
Exactly, because I do not understand why a same brother of mine walking here with a mad woman that I've never seen before in my life.
Hey, she's not a mad woman. Yes, what she has is special madness.
Madness is madness, Brother Cross. What is she?
I don't know yet. But for a fact, I know that her name is Mirabelle.
Oh, you don't know? And what is she doing in our house if you don't know?
Hey, relax, I'm not touching you.
Yeah, keep it.
Relax. Sure. It doesn't mean I cannot.
No, you cannot.
Anyway, I don't know how I can make you understand this. You see, there's something about her, there's something we share. There's this connection we share. It's more like I see part of myself in her.
You see yourself, a part of yourself in a mad woman. I don't understand.
I just said that before, that you wouldn't understand. Yeah. Yes.
Where are my expensive clothes?
Wait. Yes. See, I got you this very expensive clothes. Yours, I washed them and I spread them downstairs. Yes.
Is this also expensive?
Are you kidding me? Italian imported. Bring your hand. Put your hand. Sorry. Yeah. Will you be my baby? I will be. That's the response now. Will you be my baby?
I'll be a baby.
Will you be my baby?
I'll be a baby.
Will you be my baby?
I'll be a baby.
Will you be my baby?
I'll be a baby. I'll be a baby. I'll be a baby.
So this is
it's
expensive.
fine, no?
Yes, it's fine.
It's fine.
Yes. What?
My clothes. My clothes is more expensive.
Okay, you know what? I'll make sure I bring the clothes back to you once they're dry. Yes, I will. Oh, my phone is ringing. A second, please. Yes, sir. I am in town, sir. Okay. Right now? Is it that urgent, sir? Okay, sir. I'll be right there. Okay. My boss... No, it's fine. Stop. You can release it now. So my boss, my Oga at the office wants me.
Thief?
No, not thief. Hey. My boss at the office wants me to come take care of something. It's quite urgent. But you promised me one thing. I want you to stay here and wait for me until I return. Do not go downstairs. Okay.
Buy me biscuits.
Biscuit? I'll buy you a lot of biscuit. Now I'll get you juice also.
Yes!
Okay, come back. Come back. Yes, come back. Yeah, come back. Yes, come back. No, my baby. I'll buy you plenty biscuit, yeah? Just promise me you will go downstairs.
I'll stay here.
Okay.
I wait.
Good.
Buy me plenty biscuits. Plenty juice.
So let me quickly go, yeah? Stay here, yeah? Who is my baby?
I will be your baby.
Who is my baby?
I will be your baby.
Who is my baby?
I will be your baby. Who is your baby? I will be your baby.
Steve, what's going on with the person?
Ivy, there is a mad woman upstairs. My brother came back with a mad woman. She's upstairs.
What do you mean your brother came home with a mad woman? I don't understand.
Ivy, there is a mad woman in this house. She's upstairs.
You're not serious,
As
right?
we speak, she's upstairs.
How can your brother come home with a mad woman?
Listen, a while ago, she came out here naked. I'm serious.
She came here next, so you saw her.
Ivy, I am being serious now. Stop this joke.
Oh my God, I want to see her. Let's go.
No.
You mean she was naked? Let's go now.
No, you go.
Jesus Christ. Wait. She's actually mad.
Well, I thought you said you wanted to see her for yourself. Why did you run?
Where did your brother get that from?
I don't know. He said he doesn't know either.
What do you mean you don't know? I don't understand.
Well, that makes the two of us.
Oh my God. Where are you going to?
Well, I just want to check if she's gone back upstairs.
Are you sure she's not the one doing that?
I don't know. Let's go.
Eh? Go where? Never. I'll stay here till your brother returns. If not that I left my bag inside here, I'll just go home from here. Jesus.
No, just give me your phone.
Eh?
Give me your phone, let me call my brother. Marcus.
Jesus.
Could you? I know you could run like that.
It's not funny.
You be flying.
It's not funny. Just stop laughing because I'm not laughing with you. I almost broke my leg.
It's okay.
I guess standing like prisoners. What happened?
The mad woman just came downstairs and chased her and I
Can you stop calling her a mad woman?
But that is what she is.
Can you stop it, Steve? Okay, what exactly did you do?
What could we possibly do to a mad woman? We didn't do anything.
Steve.
Mira! Mirabelle! Mira, baby. My cupcake. It's me, Cross. I'm back. Okay, I brought you biscuit. Okay, Saka, let me get from the car. Baby, I got your biscuits.
Biscuits. I went for the juice. Jesus. Yes. Yes, biscuits. Easy. Wow. Oh, blood of Zachariah. Yeah. Yes, you like it, huh? You like it, huh? Let's go. You like it, huh? Biscuit is sweet. Juice is sweet.
Let's go.
Eh? Go away. You hungry? Oga, beg, go get my bag for me. Let me just go home from here. Thank you. Go now. It's your house. Go and get my bag. I'll stay here and wait for you. Me follow you and go inside.
Hey.
I miss Ada.
Okay.
Number one enemy. But I still hate her. I don't even know her. I want to go home.
Okay, so where is home?
Home is wherever you are. You're here with me, so I'm home.
So do you know me before now?
I don't know you. Who are you? I'm tired. I want to sleep.
Okay. Right, come on, let's go to bed. Sorry, so you can rest. Who is your baby?
I will be your baby.
Who is your baby?
I'll be your baby.
Stand up, baby. Let's go to the bed. Who is your baby?
I'll be your baby.
Who is your baby?
I'll be your baby.
Who is your baby?
I'll be your baby.
Let's go to the bed.
I'll be your baby.
Who is your baby?
I'll be your baby.
Who is your baby?
I'll be your baby.
Who are you? What did you do to me? Cause I can't stop thinking about you. We are meant to be. We are meant to be. Destiny is calling us. We are meant to be. We are meant to be. Together forever, 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 forever. From the day that I set my eyes on you, I realized that I've been missing out. The way you looked at me, the way I looked at you, I knew that something was on. I will never, never let you go. No matter the weather, I will be here for you. Cause I will never, never let you go. No matter the weather, I go there by your side. We are meant to be. We are meant to be. Destiny is calling us. We are meant to be. We are meant to be. Together forever, forever, forever. We are meant to be. We are meant to be. Destiny is calling us. We are meant to be. We are meant to be together forever, 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 forever.
Why are you awake? What is it?
How did I end up here with you?
I am lost.
Is this one of those dreams that ruined my life?
I don't understand.
You are real. It's true, you're real. What am I doing here with you? How did you find me?
How do you mean?
It's you. You've been the face behind the man that has constantly been making love to me every night in my dreams. The face behind the man that drove me crazy. The man that I almost couldn't live without. Those dreams were so real that even when I wake up, I could still feel your touch on me. I could feel every ounce of your presence around me. Yes! Yes! You exist!
Are you okay?
I'm fine. I'm okay, I'm fine. My name is Mira. I'm okay, yes. I'm fine.
Okay. So, actually after I met you a few days back, it felt as though I've known you all my life. It felt as though we have this very deep connection. I could see part of me in you and you in me, you know. It's that type of feeling. And thinking of how I saw you on the street and I couldn't just deal with it. It messed with my head for the longest. So I had to go back to where I met you, where I saw you on the road. And you know, I brought you back in the quest of trying to help you, you know, and bring you around. Despite the fact that everyone called me crazy for bringing a mad woman to my house.
I don't know how I got there. I don't know how I ended up on the street. Last night, while I was asleep, wait a minute. Did you kiss me while I was asleep last night? Yes! I knew it! I knew it! When your lips touched my lips, I felt it. I felt brand new. I felt like a part of me has returned back in my body. I felt like I wasn't... Yes! It's you! It has been you! It has always been you! You've been a part of my life! It's you!
I am not understanding all of this.
I do not understand all of this too. And I don't want to understand any of this. But one thing I understand is I am not letting go of these hands. I am not letting you go. You are in my life now. Like my dream man has come into my life in reality, in the actual sense. And there is no way I'm letting you go. I'm not letting go. I want you in my life. And I'm not letting go. I'm not.
It's okay. It's okay. I just relax, okay? Come.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh! Oh! My dream man! Oh! Hi. Good morning.
Hi.
You must be Steve. Cross your brother.
Yes. I promise I will not disturb you today. Okay? I can just go upstairs.
I won't chase you. I'm sorry if I did that before.
Okay.
And your brother, he stepped out to do some work for his boss, but he'll be back real quick. I made breakfast. Should I serve you?
You cooked?
Yes, I did, yes.
Okay, I'm fine. I'm fine.
Yeah, sure.
I'm coming. Come inside. Come in.
Come in where? Why did you insist I come here?
Everything is fine, trust me.
I don't care.
She's no longer mine.
I don't care.
You don't care. Look at this house. She mopped and swept everywhere. Look, she made me food. She's alright now, okay? Come on.
You fall in temperature. Where's your brother?
She said my brother left for work to help his boss with some errands, and to confirm, I called him and he said the same thing. And I was convinced she's okay.
Wait. That lady that chased us yesterday, she's no longer mad. Like, she's normal.
Yes!
How? What happened? How did it happen?
I do not know. Everything just happened. You know, I don't know. Okay? So let's... Hey! Take it easy now.
Hi, Steve.
Hi.
I want to quickly go see a friend of mine. I'll be back real quick.
Okay, sure.
Hi.
Sweetie, I tell you, she's okay.
You're up already tired, Jesus.
Let's eat. I don't know what happened. Jesus Christ.
Who are you? What did you do to me? Cause I can't stop thinking about you. We are meant to be. We are meant to be. Destiny is calling us. We are meant to be. We are meant to be. Together forever, 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 forever. From the day that I set my eyes on you, I realized that I've been missing out. The way you looked at me, the way I looked at you, I knew that something was wrong. I will never, never let you go. No matter the weather, I will be here.
Mira, Betty.
Mira, oh my God! Mira!
Mira, what happened to you? What happened? I woke up in the middle of the night and I saw him lying peacefully beside me. At first, I thought it was one of those dreams. Until I touched him. Yes, I felt him. And he's the same person. Then the following morning, I saw him still lying beside me. You know, Betty, he's the same guy. This guy, he's so cute. Like, he's the finest guy I've ever met in my entire life. Like a water king, a water prince. He's so cute. You need to see how cute this guy is.
Wait. You mean the same spiritual husband?
I don't know if he's the same spiritual husband, but he is the same guy that has been making love to me over the years. He's the same guy. Betty, you need to see this guy. You need to see him. God, he is everything I want in a man.
Mira, this whole thing is too much for me to process right now. I went back to that street every day, but never saw you. I cried every night, wishing and praying that I could just wake up in the morning and all of this would be a dream. But I wake up to the reality that is true. I missed you so much. I missed my best friend.
I'm supposed to be feeling bad, right? But I'm not. On the contrary, I'm happy. Yes. Listen, Betty. I don't mind running mad every single day of my life so Cross can keep beating me and keep... You know, I love being with this guy. I don't know how...
You talk about this guy like you don't miss me the way I do.
You know I miss you. Yes, I do.
Come here. I missed you so much, my friend.
I miss you too.
I missed you so much.
Okay, enough of all this. Okay, now you just me. What has been happening? What's going on with you?
I don't want cheese. I just want to hug my best friend.
Oh,
I'm so happy. I miss you a lot. I'm so happy you're back to your senses. And I wish this would never happen to you again.
Hey. Yeah. How are you?
Fine. How was work?
Yeah. It was impromptu, so great. And I hope Mirabelle didn't cause you any trouble today.
Ah, no. If anything, she cleaned up really nice. I mean, she even cooked me breakfast. Yes. Look, I was as surprised as you are. Okay? And she looked really nice in your clothes when she stepped out.
Say that again.
She went out to see a friend.
What friend?
I don't know. She didn't say a name. She just said a friend.
Oh no. Steve.
Come on, Steve, no!
What is it? Steve.
Just a movie.
Just a movie. What's that on the film?
Not what?
What's that on the film?
Daughters of June.
Daughters of what? What's even Daughters of June? Of all things, this is Daughters of June. I need to see what Daughters of Christ. Yeah? Yeah? Why are you saying Daughters of June?
I don't know, I'm just bored.
You're bored? Look, I'm here for you. Huh? Done.
Stranger.
Yeah.
That's what you mean. Hey.
Good afternoon, Mr. Cross.
Yeah, Ivy. Wait. So who's the actual daughter of the two? This one.
Two evil maidens.
I just say rubbish. I just say rubbish. There's two evil maidens. You just know how to say rubbish sometimes.
Listen, Betty. I know I had shitty relationships in the past. But look where God has brought me today. He was saving me from the past. For my cross.
I know, right? So, does this man feel the same way for you?
Of course he does. If this man could pull me out from the streets, took me to his house, shared his bed with me, gave me his clothes to wear, treated me like a queen while everyone else saw me like an insane woman. How else do you want a man to prove his love for a woman?
You're right though. So you're trying to say that you are ready to do the forever thing with him?
I could never have done it with no one else. Nobody comes close.
Nobody comes close.
My cross or no one else.
Nobody comes close, baby. I know, right? Come here. Love has wounded you. See you.
I'm so happy
my
for me.
girl.
I'm happy for me.
I'm happy for you. See my friend though. Hey! Wonders that they say shall never cease. From
What's that?
from shaking the bed every morning to a lover girl. Of course you know. Wait, just wait.
I'm getting, see, listen,
Calm
Betty,
down.
Betty,
Wait
Betty.
now, wait. You know what I want to just allow you to come. Wait. What's up? What's that? The same way you do it in the room. Did you do it for him like that?
Of course. It's the same man I've been doing it with in my dreams. So how else?
So the same way you shake the bed.
The same way he shakes me in my dreams is that powerful. Please, I don't like discussing my husband in,
husband already?
Of course.
I want to have a taste. We're friends.
Holy Ghost, fire! I rebuke you in Jesus' name. Laboske.
You've always wondered why I never had a girlfriend. Even your friend insinuated that I was gay.
Bro, don't mind that mad girl. She's always like that.
You know, I always told you that I was waiting for the right person.
Yes.
And I found her. Yeah. You see, Mirabelle is not just any type of woman to me. She's special. She's different. She's like my missing breed.
You barely know this woman. I mean, she was just mad a few months ago. What will happen next month?
Even if it was yesterday, I would do the same thing over and over again. Without even blinking. You see, there is something really fascinating about her. The first time I met Mira, she caught. It felt as though she caught my soul, she captivated my soul, my heart. She had this charm. There's this thing I felt about her from within. It feels like what you people call it, love at first sight, right? But I'm serious, it is what it is. So I had that feeling. And you know, the annoying thing that very day is the fact that I got distracted and turning back, she disappeared. I traced, I couldn't find her. And lived with it for the longest. And I don't know, I trusted my instincts that somehow that we will cross paths again if we were meant to be. And thank God we did. And you see, with her, I don't just feel complete, I feel fulfilled. Yes. As though we were just two, not just two, I don't want you to think it's just two random people meeting and trying to figure out if they're compatible or not. These are two people meant for each other. Like a match made in heaven. So she's everything that I want. I am in love with Mirabel. From the very first day I set my eyes on her.
Well, you see, all I ever wanted is for you to be happy. I just want to see you happy. You've been like a father to me since our parents passed. But I have watched you abandon your happiness for mine. I just want you to feel loved. Look, at this point, I really don't care what woman it is. As long as you're happy, I am happy.
Thank you. And I'm glad you appreciate it. And trust me, I am happy and this is what I want. And thank you for being there and for understanding. You'll always be my brother for life. I love you too, crazy man. But dude, stop wearing this your earring. You know I warned you before.
It's my steez now. What do you mean? Stop that. But yeah, so what now?
Well, I have a plan.
You have a plan?
Yeah. Yes, I do have a plan, but wait. What's her name again, sir? Ivy.
What about Ivy?
You know she loves you, right?
That way.
Hey, Steve, hey. There's nothing worrying about that girl. To be very honest with you, I think you shouldn't let her go. And not treat her as just a friend. I don't want you to make that mistake at all. Don't even try it. Yes, follow up. And I want you to have this at the back of your mind. Your best partner is your best friend.
Nice point. I hear you.
Always remember.
Goodness, I am dripping.
Come. Thank you. Make yourself comfortable.
Of course.
Hi, baby.
Hi.
I know this might seem too sudden, but I don't want to delay the inevitable. I know I will do this, be it today, tomorrow, next week, next month, this year, next year, because I choose you. I want you, Mirabel. You're everything I have dreamt for all my life. From the very first day I set my eyes on you, before you disappeared, I said to myself that I can't even bring myself to focus on any other lady aside you. And I bless this very day. I want to be that man that takes care of your challenges like they're mine. I want to be that shoulder for you to lean on.
Oh, God.
I want to be the light at the end of the tunnel for you.
as much as I want you to be my missing rib. I want you to complete me as much as I want to complete you.
God.
So please, if I'm not asking for too much,
You're not.
make me the luckiest man in this world. By being your husband. Because you complete me. My heart wants you, my soul wants you. My entire being desire you. So please, Mirabelle, marry me.
Yes, of course. Of course, yes.
I'm drawn to
my baby's engaged. Oh my God. I used to make you the crown over me. Oh my God, I love you. I love you so much. Oh my God. I love you.
From your lips,
congratulations.
It changed everything about me.
My baby. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. You're the God. I'm going to marry you. And welcome to my baby. Congratulations. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Forever.
Hey. Oh my God.
I'm drawn to you.
I'm getting married to my dream man. My dream morning man.
I'm drawn to you. I'm drawn to you. Can't control it. Cannot hold it. I'm drawn to you. I'm drawn to you. Cause I've never felt this way before. Just a kiss from your lips. It changed everything about me. Who are you? What did you do to me? Cause I can't stop thinking about you. We are meant to be. We are meant to be. Destiny is calling us. We are meant to be. We are meant to be. Together forever, 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 forever. From the day that I set my eyes on you, I realized that I've been missing out. The way you looked at me, the way I looked at you, I knew that something was on. I will never, never let you go. No matter the weather, I will be here for you. Cause I will never, never let you go. No matter the weather, I go there.